The most accurate and simple way to understand if everything is in order with a surveillance camera is to monitor the bitrate value of its video stream using the RTSP protocol. For this, a camera or recording device must support it. Thanks to the bitrate change, you will immediately know that the camera, for example, is covered with snow or intruders have blocked its view. You can monitor the bitrate value of the video stream from an IP camera or video recorder in the Tenstrike Network Monitor program. To configure the video stream bitrate monitoring, run the program and add the device to the list of hosts. Right-click on the Hosts folder, select Add Host. Enter the camera's IP address and provide the device name. Next, select the device type. Done. We have added our camera to the host list. By default, the program adds a ping check to the new device. But we need to check the bitrate of the video stream. Therefore, select the camera in the list of hosts and click the Add Check menu item. Select Video Bitrate. On the next window, specify a link to the RTSP stream of our camera. You can find out the correct URL for the RTSP broadcasting from the instructions for setting up your camera or recording device, or look at its web interface or the configuration mobile application. After that, we should set the minimum acceptable value of the video stream bitrate. If it falls below, the program will have to raise an alarm. The normal bitrate for each camera is determined empirically, based on several measurements at different times of the day. To do this, you simply test the camera in different conditions. In the snow, rain, during the day, at night, and measure the bitrate on charts displayed by the program. The threshold value should be set to the lowest measured value, reduced by a certain amount. It will be individual for each camera and will depend on the image resolution, used codecs, and the scene observed by the camera. In our example, the check will be considered passed if the bitrate is more than 80 kilobytes per second. Click Next and set the check interval. In our example, the interval is only 15 seconds for clarity. But in reality, to reduce the network traffic, you can set, for example, 10 minutes, depending on traffic restrictions and your needs for the perimeter security. Click Next again and set up the alert. If the check fails and the bit rate falls below 80 kilobytes per second, then an alarm window will appear on the screen. You can also enable sound alarms, receive alerts via SMS or email, or execute a custom script. Click Finish. To observe the bitrate on a chart, select the monitored parameter item in the bottom panel. Time passes, the check is executing, and the data is updating. As soon as the bitrate is falling below the specified value, a corresponding message is displayed. You can find the link for downloading the monitoring program in the description for this video.